Hello folks, this is Fortuna Silver Mines in the monthly time frame, and I feel like I'm looking at the same stock that I just got done talking about, which was Avino Silver. And so I'm going to focus on Fortuna. This is a US listed stock, and so if you're it's been the theme of my recent videos. If you're limited to investing in mining stocks with only U.S. listed stocks, this is one to consider. I This is not by far the best stock or most lucrative investment I believe that we can make. But again, given the limitation that we only have access to U.S. listed miners, this is one to consider. When you open up the investing universe to the um, Canadian exchanges, primarily Australian, if is not as important, but it's there. And then the over counter. If you're comfortable invest and have access to the over the counter markets in the U.S., that's another possibility. But anyway, Fortuna is available on the U.S. Exchanges, and that's why I'm talking about it today. And so this is in the monthly time frame, and basically the way I see this is price is sideways consolidation, gathering energy, a couple of different ways to look at that, but the basic idea is that price is sitting here collecting energy for its next move. And so now here's the key. We can't predict which direction that move will occur in. Could be up, could be down. I would suggest that based on other factors, it's more likely that the move out of this energy gathering will be up. Um, so bullish volume in an uptrend, we want to see volume expand in the direction of the trend. And so we have an uptrend, and sure enough, volume is expanding as price rises. And then when we get a pullback, although in this case, this is really, you talk about this being a pullback, I'd describe it as a sideways consolidation. But regardless, the point is that's consolidation. What we want to see in an uptrend is that volume pulls back or declines in a consolidation. That's exactly what we have going on. Accumulation distribution. Investors are accumulating this stock, and same as Avino, started in early 20. Um, this is a nice thing to notice in the mining stocks is that they are as a sector under accumulation. Smart money is getting the mining stocks. Um, that's what I would suggest. So MACD firmly in bull mode. We got both indicator lines above the zero level, clearly on a buy signal. Um, Overbought, obviously. Um, we're right up here at the level of MACD overboughtness that stopped this last rally. That was the peak. That was the 2016 rally, and so potential that we could get a pullback there based on being overbought, but time will tell. Let's pop down to the daily time frame. And so this really, it's a continuation of the same idea that we've basically got price poised below a breakout level, um, and then this is the potential, assuming that we get a breakout higher. our next target in Andrew's pitchfork terms becomes the upper median line, would become the upper median line of this fork, and that's about 940 as a potential target. We got MACD in bull mode on a buy signal. Clearly, momentum energy is high based on stochastics. Yeah, or let's see if we throw that in there. Yeah, investors are they're accumulating the stock. So that's pretty much the stock from a technical analysis perspective. Obviously, we have this trading range that we've been in. What's that? Mid 20. So spent the last 6 months in that trading range, and we'll see what we're going to do next. Let's see. Let's talk a little bit about the company. Um, all of their assets are in Latin America, so we got Mexico, Peru, and Argentina. This Lindero mine in Argentina, that's their most recent asset coming online in October of 2020. They had their first gold pour at Lindero. And it's kind of interesting. One of the trends in the precious metals sector is that primary silver miners are becoming, they're as rare as hen's teeth. And in this case, Fortuna got a good, they got a good opportunity on a gold property, and they acted on that opportunity. And obviously you can't blame them for doing that, but it dilutes the focus of being they're no longer primary silver miner. Yeah, I'm hesitating to say that. Technically, they may be still getting more than half of their income from silver, but they've got some serious dilution of their silver position by taking on a gold mine. So, and again, there's nothing wrong with that. I'm just pointing out that it's a trend in the precious metal sector that primary silver miners are becoming rarer and rarer. Let's see. We got anything else there? And so from their Lindero mine, like I said, they had their first gold pour in October. They are expecting to achieve steady production in first quarter of 2021. And that's all I got for Fortuna. Again, it's another U.S. listed stock that may be poised for breakout, and one to consider if you're limited to U.S. listed stocks. Have a great day, folks.